Hello dear friends, welcome to C++ tutorials. In this lesson we are going to learn about jump control statement. Remember in the previous lessons we ended the loop control statement. Right now we are going to start another type of control statement, which is jump control statement, and this jump works with loop control statement. Sometimes it's desirable to exit or skip some statement inside the selection or loop statement. So in C++, this is achievable by using jump statement. So there are many four kinds of jump control statement. The first one is this one, the break statement. This is used when you want to stop the execution at the certain condition. So the second one is what you call the continue statement. This is used to skip, right, for based on the certain also condition, right? Now there is another one, which is the goto statement. So this is used when you want to go and execute the some piece of the program based on the condition. And the last one is what you call exit statement, right? This is used when you want to exit the execution or program also based on the certain condition. So these are the main four categories of jump control statement. Please don't miss subscribe this channel, like this video and share it to your colleagues so that they can get full access to our lessons. And let me invite you in the next lesson where we'll pass through each category of statement. Here we'll start with break statement. So thank you, see you in the next video.